Welcome guys to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make sausage perfectly at home, and right here I've got 5 sausages here with me. So stay tuned, watch this video till the end. So I'm going to start by boiling the sausages. So onto your cooking pot, just add some water. We want to start first by boiling the sausages, and I'm going to cover this and let it boil. So the water has boiled. I'm going to switch off the flame, and I'm going to put the sausages in here, and I'll make sure that they are well immersed. And I'm going to let them cook in the boiling water for like 1 to 2 minutes. So the main reason why I'm putting them in the hot water, I just want them to cook well inside, and also I don't want them to be dry. I want them to be juicy. And so it's now almost 2 minutes. I'm going to be using my skewer to remove the sausages from the water. I'm going to let them cool down for 2 minutes and to get rid of the excess moisture before frying. Meanwhile, I'm going to heat the oil so that I can fry the sausages. And it's not a must to deep fry. You can also shallow fry them. The oil has heated up, and I'm going to be placing the sausages in here carefully. And I'm going to be frying them for like 1 minute. Make sure to flip them so that all the sides are well cooked. And we are cooking under medium heat. Remember, you should not cook with high heat because they are going to be burnt. And make sure I flip them well, as I said, for all sides to be well cooked. Sausages are rich in protein and they have iron, so they are healthy. It's so good to take them just like 3 times in a week. Remember not to take them every day. A lot of something is not good. But they are so healthy. remember also not to overcook them, because once you overcook them, the case will be ripped off. So my sausages are well cooked, and I'm going to remove them. You can use a skewer if you have it. And in my plate, I've lined it with a serviette, or you can line it with a kitchen towel to remove the excess oil. So here are our sausages, looking so yummy and delicious. And as you can see, they are not dry. And if I can cut this inside, you can see it is so juicy. Juiciness is the keyword here. So juicy, is not dry, because we started by boiling them, putting them in hot water, and they are so yummy. Just have a look. So you are assured to enjoy this breakfast, to enjoy the sausages, and everyone in your family will enjoy. So if you loved my video, kindly like it, share, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video. Thank you.